Bank will remain closed for 3 days from tomorrow. All the banks will remain closed for 3 consecutive days. President Pranab Mukherjee is in Mussoorie. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration security alert is high on the state. Prime Minister Modi running debate on note ban, says Rahul Gandhi, as he continues accusing Modi decision. Government decide to print plastic currency notes to check counterfeiting. The RBI for long has been planning to launch plastic currency notes. Home Minister Rajnath Singh said demonetization is working like bitter medicine for corrupt people. Good evening, I'm Sakshi Senwal and you're watching HNN 24/7. Even after the demonetization move came into effect a month ago, the impact is still not reduced as the people are queuing up the cash across the country. Due to the holidays starting from December 10th, all the banks will remain closed for 3 consecutive days, which might further affect the public amidst the cash crunch situation in the country. The 50-day timeline set by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, 30 days have already been completed, and with the long bank holidays, it is bound to add further problem for the public. The Income Tax Department on Thursday burst a money laundering racket and seized rupees 1.20 crore in demonetized note and new currency and gold too. According to Income Tax official, 3 associates, Shekhar Reddy, Srinivas Reddy and Prem were involved in these transactions. Around 100 taxmen were deployed for this operation. The income tax elites were surprised how the 3 men managed to get rupees 10 crore in new notes when people were struggling to withdraw cash from banks and ATMs. CM Harish Rawat announced that the party will declare the name of candidate finalized for ticket for the 2017 Assembly polls by the end of the year has shot up to the political temperature in the Congress ranks. So far, as many as 400 party members have applied for Congress ticket for 2017 Assembly elections. 11 Assembly seats fall under Haridwar district, 10 in the Dehradun and 9 in Udham Singh Nagar. These 3 districts make for 30 seats of the total Assembly seat and thus play a crucial role in deciding the winning party. The Uttarakhand High Court has ordered the Uttarakhand government to enforce a complete ban. With the administration intent on ensuring a foolproof security ahead of President Pranab Mukherjee's visit to Mussoorie to attend an interaction program at Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration on Friday, a mock drill was held on Thursday to check security preparedness. IG Sanjay Kumar Gunjal said that all necessary security arrangements are being made in view of President's Uttarakhand visit. He also added a bomb disposable squad, jammer and dog squad will be put into operation to make the security foolproof. "148 Pakistani citizens reached Roorkee. Tight security arrangements were made in the railway station, in which they were warm welcomed by the Pak Dargah workers, and after that they were took to Kaliyar of the Roorkee. Their staying arrangements were done in the Dargah guest house till 15th of December. Yet again, CM Harish Rawat accused the decision of Prime Minister Modi on demonetization. Further, he said that common people are the only who suffers a lot in the whole pros of demonetization, as they are forced to stand in the long queues outside the ATMs and bank. And PM Modi easily said that all the money which is deposited in the bank are black money, no matter the money depends to a local middleman family or high class.
एक देश के लिए बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण फैसला जो लिया गया वो पिछली 8 तारीख को 8 ही बजे हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी टीवी पर प्रकट हुए और उन्होंने उस दिन से 500 और 1000 के नोट को अनवैलिड कर दिया, रद्दी बता दिया। जनता की हार्डकोर कमाई थी, पसीने की कमाई, उसको इन्होंने जो है बता दिया कि ये ब्लैक मनी है।
With 519 candidates passing out from the Indian Military Academy, another bunch of deserving candidates have become officers in the Indian Army. The IMA held its 137th regular course passing out parade in Dehradun on Saturday. 469 cadets from India and 550 from abroad passed out in the ceremony, and the foreign candidates, including candidates from Afghanistan, Tajikistan, Maldives, Nepal and Sri Lanka. CM Harish Rawat addressed the Sat Sankalp Yatra in Kashipur. On the occasion, he welcomed the work done by the Kumaon people for the betterment of the state. He also talked about the main vision of Congress Yatra in the pole-bound state Uttarakhand.
अद्भुत जन सैलाब था। जितने लोग फील्ड के अंदर थे उससे दुगने लोग बाहर सड़कों पर और अलग अलग चौराहों पर थे, और कांग्रेस के लोगों ने, उधम सिंह नगर, नैनीताल के लोगों ने जो सांप्रदायिकता की शक्तियों की चुनौती है उस चुनौती को स्वीकार किया है और विकास की शक्तियों को ताकत देने का फैसला किया है। यही इस रैली।
Home Minister Rajnath Singh visits Bhagwanpur as the election are near. The BJP party wants to show the public as they are ready for the elections on 2017. And on any case, they want to win the Uttarakhand seats in the election.
भगवानपुर विधानसभा में राजनाथ जी का जो 10 तारीख को प्रोग्राम है उसमें विधानसभा भगवानपुर के ही कार्यकर्ता और आम लोग सम्मिलित होने वाले हैं। उसमें 15 से 20 हज़ार का जो हमारा लक्ष्य है वो रखा गया है और हमें उम्मीद है इससे भी अधिक मात्रा में यहाँ पर व्यक्ति आएंगे।
Local resident in Uttar Pradesh, Muradabad city, vandalized a State Bank of India branch officer after the bank closed its gates with no cash board sign. Giving details, a local resident said people are frustrated due to non-availability of cash, adding they are not even allowed to enter the premises. The people standing 4 hours protested against the bank official and rammed his property in anger.
पब्लिक ने तोड़ फोड़ यूँ करी कि पुलिस बैंक मैनेजर साहब का अठौती यह है कि कोई भी आम आदमी अंदर ना आ पाए, और जिन लोगों का खाता है वो भी लाइन में लगे हुए हैं, और सुबह 6 बजे से लोग लाइन में लग रहे हैं और किसी को भी कैश नहीं मिल पा रहा। रात को 6 बजे के बाद जो काम होता है वो सब एक्सपोर्टरों के लिए होता है और एक्सपोर्टर अपनी गाड़ियों से।
It's time for a short break.